Good evening. In the last assignment practice, we have uh, practiced on image slideshow. Now we are going to do image slideshow along with the video capture device. Now these two slides we have already discussed. One is about what is the international trade theories, and another is the classical theory, which was written by the David Ricardo. Now here we are going to talk on the Ricardian theory and Heckscher-Ohlin theory. Heckscher-Ohlin theory is considered as a modern theory of international trade in economics. And what is the difference between those two theories? The classical theory was written by the Ricardo in 1817, whereas Heckscher and Ohlin, these are the two economists given the modern theory. Heckscher has written this theory in 1919, whereas Ohlin written in 1933. And the Heckscher-Ohlin has also find out some of the flaws and critics on the Ricardian theory. And in Ricardian theory, they assume the 2 by 2 by 1 model. It means two countries, two countries producing two commodities and only one factor of production. But whereas Heckscher-Ohlin theory consider two countries, two commodities and two factor of production. Ricardo ignored the capital, only consider labor as a factor of production, whereas Heckscher and Ohlin consider the capital and labor both the factor of production. And how, if the two countries get involved into international trade, how they will be beneficial through the international trade, that is elaborated by the Heckscher and Ohlin with the two concepts. One is the factor abundance and the factor intensity. And what Heckscher and Ohlin told in his theory, that if the country should specialize in the production of the commodity which requires a particular factor, and that factor is abundance in that particular country. Okay, so that's why this is modern theory. Now, comparative cost advantage is immediate reason of international trade, as modern theory stated, and the difference in the cost arises due to two reasons, that is said in the modern theory. Different countries have different factor endowments, and factor proportion used for producing commodities are different in different countries, that is said in the modern theory. And that is why modern theory was mostly accepted in the international trade theories. Thanks a lot.